So this is going to be a video of the Federal Automatch 22 LR 40 grain box ammo, and also the HC mag tack case. I'll turn it around so you can see it. It looks really good. It's a solid case, but we'll get to that later. First and foremost, we got this Federal Automatch 40 grain box. Really solid box. As you can see, it's got this perforated tab here. One of the cool things I like about this box is that it doesn't have the flip tabs and things like that. I mean, you could put this thing through probably anything, toss it around, do anything, and it's not going to open. One really cool thing about it. It's got all this cool stuff here, you know, target grade accuracy, excellent choice for action target shooting. It's also optimized for setting semi-automatic firearms. And another cool thing about it is it also has pretty good velocity. 1,200 rounds at the muzzle, which is pretty good. 1080 at 50 yards, which is comparable to out of the muzzle with the Remington Standard V's. And looks like it has a -6 inch drop. I guess that's at 100 yards. If it's zeroed at 100 yards. Labeling's kind of strange on that, but I'm guessing that's at the muzzle, or maybe it might be sighted in at 50. I'll have to take it out to the range and see. It's 40 grains. I've been shooting 38s, so we'll see. But here's the unboxing. Really nice. I mean, really got it. Put a lot of muscle into this. And as you can see, when you open it, not only does it have the perforated tab here, it also opens up like a standard 22 box. And there they are. And that's a nice box of 22 rounds. Looks like the projectile, standard lead nose. Looks pretty good out of the case. No blemishes. Not too many scuffs or anything like that. It's looking good. The brass looks good. The rims look good. High quality. Looks like it has some type of, looks like it has an F on it. Looks like they're, you know, ready to go. Standard Federal stuff. So I'm happy with this box. First time I ever opened up an Automatch box, and yeah, made in the USA. I mean, can't say anything bad about Federal. So that's that. So we're gonna do another video. It's gonna be loading this Federal 40 grain 22 LR ammo into the HC mag components, and I'm gonna go over that in the next video.